Let's make kopytka. It's a polished dish, similar to gnocchi. I'm mashing some leftover potatoes with rosemary. Let's divide this mass into 4 parts. Fill the gap with potato starch. Oopsie daisy. Add an egg or other glue. I used guar gum. Mix. Some more starch. Thanks to that, it won't be sticky. Now cut it. Do the same with the rest of dough. Now boil your noodles. Don't let them stick to the bottom. Wait until they float. Give them 2 or 3 minutes while floating. Then pull them out. Let's make a sauce. Melt some butter. Smoked paprika. You can use regular onion. I used asafoetida. MSG. Oregano. You can eat it like this, or like this. Enjoy!